Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So thanks that most of you liked my last videos, and in this video someone asked me to give a tutorial on how they can promote CPA offers or affiliate offers through Craigslist. So that's why I'm making this video today. So hope you're gonna like this video and make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel. You can also join our Facebook group premium share to get daily updates related to digital marketing, and you can ask here what you are looking for, so I hope I can help you. So now here we come over to this side F plus, and here all the marketplaces listed their offer details here. So you will get all the marketplaces offer and product details here, what you can promote. Now you can research your product for the best what you can do. So for promoting with this method, here I am going to select the product which is related to something like e-business, finance, or something like credit. But here was one thing, that when you are choosing product here or the offer that you want to promote, make sure that it's not like survey offers which gives customer to uh, fill up service like PayPal or Amazon gift cards or Netflix cards. You should not to promote that type of offers, because it bother the customer so much. So here in this step, what we are going to promote, here we have to find out the product that is more like finance. So you can see the verticals here. There are a lot of verticals, and select the finance vertical, and it will bring up all the related offers for you. So make sure join in the network, and you can get a promote link from those CPA marketplace with their offer. So you can just research before you promote the offer from here F plus. And if you are thinking that you are not going to promote from CPA marketplaces like this, so you can go over to ClickBank and promote your offer. So for research your ClickBank particular product, you can go to CV engine in this site, and you can see on the right side here is the filter option. So filter it with the category like e-business or e-product, and you can see here the subcategory. So here for myself, here I'm going to choose the affiliate marketing and leave it as it is, and then click on start finding. Now when I start and finding the products, you can see there are a lot of good products with all details. You can see there the gravity and initial sale rate. I mean, when you promote this offer, you will get the exact amount of that product. So you can see the and able to find out the best product of the ClickBank from here, and you will able to promote. So open one or two products and deeply research that it's going to help your customer or not, what you are going to target, and then you can just get the hope link, I mean the tracking link, and make it short from bit.ly or t.ly or any tiny URL, and save it anywhere else. And then you have to do one thing, then go to your Gmail. You have to create a new Gmail. So after you create a new Gmail, go for the setting, from setting go for general, and scroll down at the bottom of the page. You will see an autoresponder. So on this autoresponder, and give a subject name like this, and type that message here what I type. You can modify it a little bit if you want, because same message would not work for everyone, I think. Now when you ready all these things, now save it and leave this. Now here let's jump over to our next work. So we have to go over Craigslist, and you can go with all the regions here, like I mean all the locations. So you can see there are so many locations like USA, UK, Europe, and Australia, all the cities or the countries you can go with. Now for myself here, I'm going to go with the exact location what I am right now from this browser. So go for the CV section from this Craigslist, and in this section you will find out the post of those people who are interested in doing job. So you have to find out the post which related to seeking jobs or looking for jobs or want some money. So this type of post you have to just open in a new tab, and make sure that this is not less than a month the post. I mean, check for the date. So open some post here and then go for the post. So I open some of the post here. If you want to comment, now here in this post you can see that this guy is looking for job for himself. Now here you can see at the top of this page, here's a button for reply. Now click on this reply and it will ask you to solve a captcha. So just solve this captcha and you will get the email list. I mean the email where you have to mail them. So just copy that mail and go for your Gmail and get back to that Gmail where you have turned on the auto reply mode. So now here in this mail you have to give a subject name of that mail like this one, and in the body you can just ask them that you find out their job post in that ad site, and you came to know that they are interested in job, they are seeking works. So if they still interested in that work, so if they reply you yes, so it will automatically send the offer link, the affiliate or CPA marketing offer what you are promoting. It will automatically send to them. So now this way you will get all the leads in your CPA offer or in your affiliate product. Now if you just finish with one location, you can jump to other location and find out similar type of post and do the mail what I'm showing you here. So that's all for today. I hope you like this, and if you feel anything complex, you can just comment here, and so more video will come next in this channel. So make sure that you subscribe and let me know in the comment that it's a work or not for you. It's an old method, but someone asked me to show them a video related to this. That's why I'm making this video. Okay, so have a great day. Thank you and welcome.